Section 6. Powering AI tools and technologies you should know. Developing and deploying AI systems requires a combination of tools and technologies, including programming languages, AI frameworks, and cloud computing platforms. Python is one of the most popular programming languages for AI development due to its extensive libraries and frameworks specifically designed for machine learning and deep learning tasks. AI frameworks such as TensorFlow, PyTorch, and Keras provide pre-built components and abstractions that simplify the process of building, training, and deploying AI models. These frameworks offer a wide range of functionalities, including data pre-processing, model building, and model optimization. Cloud computing platforms, such as Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform, provide the infrastructure and resources needed to train and deploy AI models at scale. These platforms offer a wide range of services including data storage, compute power, and pre-trained AI models. Section 7. Your journey begins. A beginner's guide to learning AI. Embarking on your AI learning journey might seem daunting, but there are plenty of resources available for beginners. Start by learning the fundamentals of computer science, including programming concepts, data structures, and algorithms. Online courses and tutorials on platforms like Coursera, edX, and Khan Academy offer a great starting point. Once you have a solid foundation in computer science, you can delve into specialized AI courses and resources. Focus on understanding the core concepts of machine learning, deep learning, and natural language processing. Experiment with different AI frameworks and tools to gain hands-on experience. Join online communities and forums dedicated to AI to connect with fellow learners and practitioners. Participate in online competitions and hackathons to challenge yourself and apply your skills to real-world problems. Remember that learning AI is an ongoing journey that requires patience, dedication, and a thirst for knowledge.